So what's up guys? Welcome to Vince Tutorial. So for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin yung print function sa ating Python language. So first, save as muna natin. So ayan guys, na-save na natin. So pinangalanan nating first tutorial. So all we need to do guys, just type print, and print function requires parentheses around its argument. So anything inside the quotes will be printed exactly as it appears. So for example, we print hello world. So that's hello world will be printed exactly if we run this program. So pag i-run natin yung program guys, is exactly hello world yung lalabas. So ito, hello world. So yung print function guys is pwede mong damihan kung kailan mo gusto or gaano kadami yung ipiprint mo. So for example, magpe-print tayo ulit ng hello universe. So hello universe yung ipiprint natin. So exactly pag yan yung iparaan natin is exactly hello world yung lalabas. So ayan guys, hello universe pala. Sip argument guys is optional lang, pwede mo siyang gamitin, pwedeng hindi. So yung sip argument is insert a space between each of the arguments of the print function. You can use sip argument to change the default to some character. So for example, wag nyo kakalimutan guys na anything inside the quotation is called string. So para gumana yung sip argument natin is kailangan ng dalawang string. So first string natin is hello and comma, and second string natin is world. So pagkatapos ilagay natin yung sip na argument and equal sign and quotation. So anything the quotation will insert a space between each argument. So let's run this program. So as you can see guys, the hello world is nakadugtong kasi di natin nilagyan yung separator niya. So hindi natin siya nilagyan ng sign o kung ano mang gusto nating ilagay. So depende na sa inyo guys kung lalagyan natin o hindi. So lagyan ko ng dash yung ating separator. So pag i-run natin yung program is ayan, hello dash world. So yan yung purpose ng separator natin guys. Let's provide another example. So sa sip argument guys is pwede kahit anong o kahit ilan yung arguments na gagamitin mo. Pag may separator ka, lahat ng may space sa argument is mai-insertan niya. So for example, may string tayo dito na hello world and hi comma universe. So apat yung string natin guys. Type the sip argument, which is sip equals double quotation and I put asterisk. So nilagyan ko siya ng asterisk guys para ito yung design sa aking separator. So pag i-run natin yung program, everything na may space sa ating arguments is may asterisk. So let's run this program. So as you can see guys, this is our output. Hello asterisk world asterisk hi asterisk universe. We have another optional argument guys, tinatawag itong end. So end argument, keeping the print function from advancing to the next line. For example guys, mag-print tayo dito ng hello and mag-print ulit tayo ng world. So itong hello and world is ipagdudugtong natin sila gamit yung end function natin para pag yung result is yung hello world is magkadugtong. So lagyan natin ng end argument guys. So end and separator guys is same lang po sila. So may equal sign and double quotation. So anything inside the quotation will be printed. So dito di ko lalagyan ng design at space lang yung ilalagay ko. So pag ipe-print natin to or i-parahan natin yung program, yes, ito yung result, hello space world. So yan yung end argument guys. So lagyan natin ng design yung end argument natin, which is underscore. So pag ipara natin yung program, yung output natin is hello underscore world.